bangsa bagi dia berpendap ya keting sekali dunia kekentiu ya kaji kentiu kurim keberan burung hakmat kajung mulai kerku ya keting dot lang jong pailang jong mulai hakmat jadi katir kajung mulai kaong lalu try teh ya kayin kimirat ladai kibatai ya kan. Stockingland nomor Shillong ka LASTIBONY thongi Banmong ke tengah dona Panesyong ya sa rengka Nadu mentagasi Lahangan mono bejingon Kabalila menekendu Laphanis niu Lareus pak hidup Lakoi nepang Nganji Ngamri Bat burong Bakaliange Aduk pekerjaan Karena peniaklah Ngaka LASTIBONY thongi Ngacem ya pi Stockingland nomor Banmong tengah dona Panesyong ya sa rengka Nadu besar
Love you like this forever, this forever. If we get lost here, let's get lost together.
Truth is I'm lousy, I'm messed up, kinda clumsy. I've been known for my mundane stodgy, but that was how I used to be. Cause all these things have been changing ever since that you came in. And the world that I know is turning upside down, and you got me thinking. So I just wanna know about you more, and everything about you, girl. Cause baby, you're the one that keeps me going to coming back for more. And you're the only one that I'm still keeping ever since you left me thinking. Because you give me a reason to keep becoming a better man. Filling up empty pages and working on daily basis, and the walls I never thought I would be breaking are coming down every day. Well, I know it's all been worth it. There's nothing that I regret. 'Cause where you are is where I wanna be, and what you need is who I'm gonna be. So I just wanna know about you more, and everything about you, girl. 'Cause baby, you're the one that keeps me going, to coming back for more. And you're the only one that I'm still keeping, ever since you left me thinking. Because you give me a reason to keep it coming. So I just wanna know about you more, and everything about you, girl. 'Cause baby, you're the one that keeps me going, to coming back for more. And you're the only one that I'm still keeping, ever since you left me thinking. Because you give me a reason to keep it coming. A better man. Ooh, to be a better man.